Hello everybody, nice to meet you. Welcome back to my channel Learning and Cooking. So here I hope that you are not so bad, rather so much happy. And in this time I'm also feeling so great because this time is I'm going to utilizing by speaking. So stay with me until the end. So here you can see one plant in front of me. Yes, it is called ginger plant. And now I'm going to give a explanation about this plant. Actually, I have a little bit ideas and information around this ginger plant, so that I'm not feel so hesitate for being here. Yes, finally I come forward with the beauty of this speaking. So it's called ginger plant. It's one kind of flowering plant. Most of the person are familiarized with it, but the shortest number of people are not, because it's so rare to see this ginger plant everywhere. But in my house, I have this ginger plants. Yes, which looking so wonderful. And you know what, dear, about its necessity? Actually, I have little bit idea, and that is this ginger maximum time used as a spice, sometimes used as a folk medicine, and it works a lot when you are in cough and cold. Yes, dear. And the size of this ginger plant tree leaves are tall in size. Yes, and it's looking so gorgeous, and I like it to stay with this tree in this present time. And you can see the below side that this ginger is coming from inside of the soil, which so much attractive looking, because it's so exceptional compared with any other spices or vegetables or any kind of things. Overall, it's looking just amazing, and I'm enjoying this moment. For that reason, I am not to feel so hesitate for being here along with this speaking with you. So, dear, how you feel at this time, I don't know. If you're feeling better, don't forget to share your thoughts and opinions after watching this video. So, and I request one thing, that if you like it, this speaking video, don't forget to subscribe this channel, and must be dropping a like and comments below my post. Okay, so take care and be with me always as a continuous supporter. So goodbye.